If you've got a recent copy of Adobe Photoshop, you may have noticed a grid appearing over your images when you select the crop tool. So that, of course, is the crop tool inset there. Now this grid is called the rule of thirds, and if you want to use it, it divides the crop area into 9 equal rectangles using 2 horizontal and 2 vertical guides. You don't have to use it, even though it's now on as a default. You can go to the options bar along the top of the screen and turn off the rule of thirds option when you've got the crop tool selected. Rule of thirds is not something that many designers even knew about until Adobe decided to include it as part of the crop tool. But in fact, it's been around for a very long time indeed, and a great many artists have used it to shape their work. So I thought it was important to talk about it and to try and show why Adobe thinks it's good enough to add to what's already a great piece of software that does just about everything you might want it to do. So, you may recognize this picture. It's called The Last Supper, and it's by Leonardo da Vinci, and it's arguably the most famous painting in the world. It's certainly one of them. It's a mural that he painted on a wall in the convent of Santa Maria delle Grazie in Milan. It's certainly one of the most famous pictures in the world. But unfortunately, it's also one of the most changed. In fact, it would be more true to say that by now, it's the work of Da Vinci and several others. Now, arguably, Da Vinci was the greatest artist who's ever lived. If not the best, he was certainly one of the best, and just about everyone's heard of this painting and has a fair idea what it looks like.